Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. These babies are going to blow your mind and take your creativity to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Before we set sail, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Let's jump right in. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5. MakerPi P3 Pro 3D Printer. A 3D printer that can paint a masterpiece with multiple materials and colors, all at once. Enter the MakerPi P3 Pro, the virtuoso of the 3D printing world. With its revolutionary 5-in-1 IDX system, this printer can simultaneously bring your wildest creations to life, seamlessly blending different filaments to produce stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. But it's not just about the art. The MakerPi P3 Pro is also a chameleon, adapting to your needs with its modular design. Want to upgrade? This printer makes it a breeze, allowing you to customize it to suit your ever-evolving projects, whether you're a hobbyist dreaming up fantastical figurines or a professional seeking to prototype the next big thing. Number 4. Jmaker Artist D Pro 3D Printer. A 3D printer that can weave a tapestry of intricate details, each thread perfectly placed to create a mesmerizing illusion. Meet the Jmaker Artist D Pro, the magician of precision printing. With its IDX system, this printer can split itself in two, allowing each extruder to work independently, like a pair of skilled hands crafting a masterpiece. But it's not just about the tricks. The Jmaker Artist D Pro is also a master of control, thanks to its direct drive system. This printer can tame even the most unruly filaments, ensuring that every layer is laid down with pinpoint accuracy, no matter how complex the design. Whether you're creating delicate lace patterns or sculpting intricate architectural models, the Jmaker Artist D Pro will make your creations appear as if by magic. Number 3. Tronxy Gemini S 3D Printer. A 3D printer that can build a world of its own, crafting larger-than-life objects that captivate the senses. Introducing the Tronxy Gemini S, the storyteller of the 3D printing realm. With its expansive build volume, this printer can bring your grand visions to life, allowing you to create objects that fill the room with awe and wonder. But it's not just about the size. The Tronxy Gemini S is also a master of stability, ensuring that your prints remain true to your design, no matter how ambitious the project. Whether you're creating life-sized sculptures, intricate dioramas, or functional prototypes, the Tronxy Gemini S will be your loyal companion, ready to bring your stories to life in stunning detail. Number 2. FlashForge Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. A 3D printer that can juggle multiple materials with ease, seamlessly transitioning between colors and textures to create a symphony of prints. Behold the FlashForge Creator Pro 2, the dual-wielding dynamo of the 3D printing world. With its dual extruder system, this printer can tackle two filaments at once, allowing you to create prints with intricate color patterns, multiple materials, or even dissolvable supports. But it's not just about the dexterity. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is also a master of stability, thanks to its enclosed build chamber. This printer can maintain a consistent temperature throughout your print, ensuring that your creations emerge flawless and precise, whether you're a beginner exploring the world of 3D printing or a seasoned pro seeking to push the boundaries of what's possible. Number 1. Sovol SV04 3D Printer. A 3D printer that can be your trusted companion, always ready to bring your ideas to life with consistent quality and ease of use. Introducing the Sovol SV04, the reliable workhorse of the 3D printing realm. With its dual extruder system and user-friendly interface, this printer makes it simple to create prints with multiple materials or colors, without sacrificing performance or precision. But it's not just about the features. The Sovol SV04 is also a master of resilience, thanks to its filament runout sensor and power resume printing. This printer can keep going even when the unexpected happens, ensuring that your prints are completed without a hitch. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for an affordable entry point into 3D printing or a professional seeking a reliable workhorse for your studio, the Sobel SV04 will be your steadfast ally, always there to turn your visions into reality. So there you have it, our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. These machines are going to change the game and take your creativity to new heights. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.